I'm so excited about this one. This is the RivaMare 38. It is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna start back here on the transom. This is a foldable transom. It goes up and in for when you're underway. So if you look over here in our 33 special, it looks something like that. So we're coming on aboard now. Take this in. So the mahogany varnish floors with the non-skid. This cushion normally goes here, so you also have one giant sun lounger. These lift up. You have your Volvo engines underneath there. Now take this in. Absolutely stunning. The Italians know what they're doing. Generations of pride and craftsmanship go into these boats. They're a floating piece of artwork. I'm gonna spin around now. This table opens up, entertaining for all your guests. And we're gonna come forward. Look at the helm. Volvo controls. Just, I don't need to really talk. I'm just gonna let you experience this. So this glass is tinted. So when you're looking at this from afar, I'll show you here on the 33. And look at the bow on the 33. This is exactly what we have going on here in the 38. So this is mahogany woods. It's got, like, my guess would be 15 coats of high gloss varnish. It is so beautiful. This boat is built for a little bit more of the overnight, going on adventures, because there is a cabin down below. You can go 40 knots in this boat. Take a look at this. So this is a high-low table, so you can eat in here, you can throw a cushion on here, and this would be your bed. Natural light coming in from up above, also blinds here on the side. As I spin around, you have a sink here, no cooktop, just a sink. Actually, let me take it back. Ah, great, look at that. There is a cooktop. Sink, cooktop. Good job, Riva. I'm sorry I doubted you. Beautiful shower here. And let's talk about head height. So I'm 5'11", 6 foot, you should be good. 6'5", you're kind of bending your knees, just so you know. A lot of cabinets there. Toilet, just that high gloss wood and varnish. Italian craftsmanship at its finest. This is the RivaMare 38 from Jeff Brown Yachts. Kyle Harmon, the big yacht guy.